In this video, we're going to go over how to repost an Instagram reel. So I'm going to jump onto the phone and show you real quick. So there's a couple different ways you can repost an Instagram reel to your profile. So first thing we need to do is go to that reel so we can go into the profile, or we can get there through the reels feed. And I'm going to make sure I click into this person's reels. And then I'm going to click on a random video right here. So let's say this is the video I want to repost right here. What I'm going to do is click on the little paper airplane right here. And you'll see down at the bottom here, I have an option where I can add it to my story. Now, if I click this option, it'll post just to my Instagram story. If someone clicks on it, they'll go to that person's post of it. All I would have to do here is click add to my story, and it would add directly through there. Now, if this is not what you want to do, if you don't want to post it to your actual story and we want to repost this reel, what we can do again is click that little airplane, and we're going to go down and we're going to click download. Now, for some videos, you might not see that download option if the person doesn't have that setting enabled on their profile. So people can choose to turn this off, and this will download the video. Once it downloads from here, we'll have the option to go in, and let's say I want to post this. You'll see this is here. So once I'm here, I can choose to click into reel here. I can choose that video we just downloaded, click next. I'm probably going to want to tag the person whose reel this is. I can tag them, click next, and I'll be able to continue and post this just like it was my own. But again, you probably want to tag them in here. The other option you have, if you want to make sure you don't have this watermark that you see in the top up here, what you can do is use a third-party downloader. If you just type in Instagram downloader, no watermark, you'll be able to upload a link to this reel, which if you wanted to grab the link to the reel over here, I would go all the way back. And let's say I'm going back to this profile here. If I come in here and I want to grab a link to this actual reel, all I have to do is click that paper airplane again, click copy link. And now you'll see if I have this actual link copied, I would go in and copy and paste that into one of those third-party apps where I can download it without the actual watermark. But those are really your only choices when it comes to reposting a reel. There's no great way to do it. The only other option would be to go into Instagram and have the person who posted this add you as a collaborator. When they do that, then the reel will actually show on your personal profile here, or your business profile, and show up on both accounts. So that's how you can repost an Instagram reel.